morning, everyone. Today I will do a past year paper. Hope you all enjoy the video. Okay, first question is trigo. Y equals to 2 plus 4 cos 3 theta, and write out the amplitude of y. So from here you can tell the amplitude is 4. Referring here. And write down the period of y. We just refresh a little bit. Cos theta, the period, going to be 360. Cos 2 theta will be 180. Cos 3 theta, which is going to be 120. That will be your answer. Sketch the following. Okay, you can use plot. Okay. If you understand, cos theta will be like this until 360. Cos 2 theta will be double of this until 360, and then two of them is 360, one of them will be 180. And this one given is cos 3 theta. So we are expecting having 3 of this until 360. 3 of this is 360, 1 will be 120. So this one is from 0 to 120. We have a full cycle here. Okay, we put a cross. At 0, when you submit, cos 0 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 2, which is 6. And just like I mentioned, for cos 3 theta, here will be 120. We split into 4 parts. 120 divided by 4 is 30, 60, 90. So we sub in 30. 30 times 3, 90. Cos 90 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. And plus 2. So at 30 degree, it will be at 2 here. 60. 60 times 3 is 180. Cosine 180 is minus 1. Minus 1 times 4, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. At 90 degree, it should have 2 here. And 120 is actually at the 6 here. It's a full cycle. And it should be the same for the other side as well. At minus 30 degree, it's at 2 here. At minus 60, it's actually at minus 2. At 90 degree, it's at 2. And minus 120 will be at 6. So connect them. This will be your answer. Okay. Second question. This is log. All of them having the same base. So you can apply plus this time. Log A plus log B equals to log AB. So log P. So it will be 12A minus means dy over 6 equals to 3 log P4. Simplify, here will be 2A, and 3 we turn into power 4 to the power 3. And now you can cut the log both sides. 2a is going to be 4 cubed will be 64. A going to be 32. Find the exact solution, meaning you can't use calculator. 4 log cube x equals to 9 log 3 base x. 4 log 3x equals to 9. This one I turn into fraction. You just flip it and put 1 on the top. This is using the chain-based formula. If you want, you can actually memorize the changes. I'll write here in case you want to refer. Log b base a will be equals to log a base b 1 over. So divide, throw to the other side will be times. So become 4 log x base 3 square equals to 9. Throw the 4 to the other side. Will be 9 over 4. Now square throw. Remember, other than square root, that will be a plus minus. So it appears to have two answers. So log x base 3 will be equals to 3 over 2 or minus 3 over 2. So remove the log. X is going to be 3 to the power of 3 over 2 or 3 to the power of negative 3 over 2. Okay, I will write here. X equal 3 to the power of 3 over 2 is 3, 1.5 and 3 negative 1.5. X equal 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 0.5. And this one is 1 over 3 to the power 1 times times 3 times 3 to the power 0.5. So answer going to be x is equals to 3 square root 3. And this one is 1 over 3 square root 3. Simplify, times root 3 times root 3. This one going to be root 3 over 9. And this one remain 3 root 3. Okay, question 3. This is differentiations. So straight away write down the equation. Then start differentiating. dy dx is equals to ln, ignore the ln, put whatever bracket at the bottom and differentiate the bracket 3x squared on the top. Now x equals to 1, sub in. You should get 3 over 1 cube is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. Since they mentioned normal, we actually, this is dy dx stand for gradient of tangent. Gradient of normal, flip times negative, minus 4 over 3. And when x equals to 1, sub into the curve equation, y will be ln 4. Now we form the equation of normal first. Y equals to mx plus c. Ln 4 equals to minus 4 over 3 times 1 plus c. Your c going to be ln 4 plus 4 over 3. So your equation going to be y equals to minus 4 over 3x plus ln 4 plus 4 over 3. And this normal meets the line y equals to x at point P. Find the exact coordinate of P. Meaning we have to do simultaneous. Equate them. X equals to minus 4 over 3x plus ln 4 plus 4 over 3. With equal, with fractions, everything times 3. So it's going to be 3x equals to minus 4x plus 3 ln 4 plus 4. So move all the x together. 7x equals to 3 ln 4 plus 4. So your x is going to be 3 ln 4 plus 4 over 7. And your y actually is equals to x, so your y also 3 ln 4 plus 4 over 7. That will be your coordinate of P. Okay, number 4. Write down the range of f. This one you have to familiar your drawing. Okay, first, we draw a small pictures here first. E minus x is same as E minus 3x. That's no different. It should look like this. Cutting through 1 here. Now, E minus 3x plus 2. Shift the graph up. Oh, I actually have to share with you the asymptote first. The asymptote going to be here. Now, plus 2, your asymptote also shift up by 2. Y equals to 2. Your graph going to be like this. 1 plus 2 here going to be 3. The y-intercept. So, the range of f. Since your x is like belongs to real number, your range going to be more than 2. Find the f inverse. Okay, I use the proper methods. Let y equals to f inverse of x. X remain, y remain. F inverse throw will be f on the other side. Fx is 2 plus e minus 3x. Fy 2 plus e minus 3y equals to x. E minus 3y equals to x minus 2. Now, ln both sides. Throw the power in front, and ln e will be 1. And your y is going to be ln x minus 2 over minus 3. And your y itself is a f inverse. That will be your answer. Okay, here is a typical function question. It's a sketching. As previously, I actually done drawing the fx already, which is going to be here. Cutting at 3 here. And we have a x, y equals x here. Okay, we have to do the reflection. It actually going to pass through 3 here as well. And this point also. So the graph will looks like this. Yep, that's the reflection. This is F inverse. And this is Fx. State the equation of any asymptote. So the asymptote, as previously mentioned here, y equals to 2. And the asymptote here going to be x equals to 2. Now, that will be your answer. Find exact solution. Okay, let's refer what my fx is 2 plus e minus 3x. Yeah, 2 plus e minus 3x. Okay, so gfx equals to 12. The one closer to the x is f. We put a square bracket. And fx is 2 plus e minus 3x equals to 12. Sorry, there's one missing here. Now, gx is x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 4, sub in. X to the power of, oops, sorry, my bad. 2 to the power e to the power minus 3x. 3 over 2 plus 4 equals to 12. 2 plus e minus 3x to the power of 3 over 2 equals to 8. Two plus e to the power of negative 3x. Throw the power to the other side will be 8. 2 over 3. And if you press calculator or your mental calculation, it turned out to be 4. E to the power of negative 3x is going to be 2. Ln both sides. Or you can throw the e to that side, will be this. X is going to be 1 over 3 ln 2 with a minus sign. Wait, let me double check. It actually mentioned your x must be more than or equal to 0. Let me have a look, quick one. 2 plus e3x, 12. Plus 4, 8. Yeah, nothing wrong. So what is it? Long both side. Yeah, it's nothing wrong because actually the x here equals to minus 1 over 3 ln 2, right? In the first place, you have to sub into the f. F actually is x belongs to everything, real number. And when you sub in the x, you should get the 8. That's why it's a positive number. Then you plus 4, which is why 12. So, yeah, it's nothing wrong. Okay, question 5. Polynomial. Okay, I write out this first. Px is equals to 5x cubed plus ax squared plus 39x plus b. And you definitely spot a p prime x. which is differentiate. P prime x is going to be 15x squared plus 2ax plus 39. And they mentioned x plus 3 is a factor for both px and p prime x. So you should understand p minus 3 should equal to 0 and p prime minus 3 should equal to 0 as well. Okay, we sub into the p prime x first. So 15 minus 3 squared, which is 9. X is minus 3, so minus 6a plus 39 equals 0. Throw the 6a to the other side. 15 times 5, which is 135 plus 39. So 6a going to be 174. A going to be 174 divided by 6. 174 divided by 6 should be 29. Now, since we have a already, we sub into the p minus 3 equals to 0. So sub in here 5 times minus 3 cubed will be minus 27 plus 29 minus 3 square will be 9 plus 39 minus 3 plus b equal 0. 5 times minus 27 minus 135 plus 29 times 9 29 times 9 261 minus 117 plus b equals 0. So your b going to be minus 135 through to the other side will be 135 minus 117 through the other side will be 117 minus 261. So 135 plus 117 will be 252 minus 261. Turned out to be minus 9. Hence, solve the px equals to 0. So I write here, my fx going to be 5x cubed plus 29x squared minus 9x plus 39x, sorry. Plus 39x minus 9. Since x plus 3 is a factor, over here I will apply a syntactic divisions. 5, 29, 39, and minus 9. Minus 3 here. 5 you drag down. 5 times minus 3 minus 15. Here will be a plus, which is turned out to be 14. 14 times minus 3 minus 42. Plus together will be minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3, which is positive 9. And up. The remainder is 0. So from here, your fx is going to be x plus 3. And the behind quadratic factor will be 5x squared plus 14x minus 3. X plus 3. Here we can apply cross method. 5x and x here. To get 14, here must be 3, here must be 1. Plus 3, which is 15, minus 1, which is plus 14. And then, since they want the roots equals to 0, so x is going to be minus 3, x is going to be 1 over 5, and x is going to be minus 3 as well. Yeah, two same answer. Hence, using the value for a and b, solve the equation. So let me write down the fx here again. Previously, your fx is equals to 5x cubed plus 29x squared plus 39x minus 9 equal minus 9. And then we manage to factorize, become x plus 3, 5x minus 1, and x plus 3. And you can have a look. It's actually the same. So meaning you should understand your x is cosecant 2 theta. Okay, we should use at the bottom there. So you from here, cosecant 2 theta is equals to minus 3, and cosecant 2 theta equals to 1 over 5. Okay, we flip it. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine, so sine 2 theta here going to be negative 1 over 3. And this one, sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta equals to 5. This one reject, as we know the sine minimum and maximum should kept under minus 1 and 1. Okay, 2 theta equals to minus 1 over 3. Here we times 2, becomes 0 and 720. Okay, sine is negative. Will be on the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. The basic angle going to be here. Negative only used to determine the quadrant, so our basic angle must be positive. Shift sine 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3. Now, shift sine. Shift sine 1 over 3, which is 19.5. 19.5. So back to the 2 theta here. So your 2 theta, our 0 is here, so turn will be 180 plus 19.5 for the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant going to be 360 minus 19.5. Our 2 theta, the range is from 0 to 720. One cycle will be 0 to 360, so we have to add another cycle. Since we actually figured out the first cycle already, so here we just plus 360. 360 plus 180 will be 540 plus 19.5. 360 plus 360 will be 720 minus 19.5. So we should expect 4 answer here. So your theta going to be 180 plus 19.5 divided by 2, 99.75. 360 minus 19.5 divided by 2, 170.25 540 plus 19.5 divided by 2, 279.75, 720 minus 19.5 divided by 2, 350.25. Yeah, that will be your answer. Question 6. Looks like kinematic questions here, but it's rare. The diagram shows a velocity time graph of a particle traveling in a straight line. The particle travel a distance of 2750 in 120 meter, meaning area under the graph will be 2750. Find the velocity of v when t equals to 70. Okay, very straightforward. This one sounds like math question. So, just like I mentioned, area under the graph. So, the first path is a rectangle. 10 times 30, here going to be 300. Okay, here we have unknown already, v. Okay, refer the right side first, which is a triangle. So, base times height over 2. The bottom is 50. 50 times v over 2, which is 25v. The middle is a trapezium shapes. So, trapezium area will be top plus bottom times height over 2. Top plus bottom times height, which is 40 over 2. So, okay, I can write at the bottom already. 300 plus 25v plus 40 over 2, which is plus 20, 10 plus v should equals to 2750. Okay, we simplify a little bit first. 300 plus 25v expand 200 plus 20v equals to 2750. 300 plus 200 is 500. Throw to the other side, will be 2250 equals to 45v. So your v going to be 2250 divided by 45, which is answer 50. Yep, that's how you do. It's a short question, I guess. Find the acceleration of the particle from 70 to 120. Okay. Although they mentioned acceleration, but from the graph itself, it's a deceleration, so we expect having a negative sign. So acceleration, the formula is final speed, which is 0, minus initial speed, which is 50, over final time minus initial time, minus 50 over 50, which is minus 1. If you want, you can put some unit inside also. ms negative 2. Okay, B. Okay, the equation of velocity is given. V equals to t square plus 5 to the power of half. Now, to find acceleration, we have to differentiate. And the relationship here is time, so we have to apply product rule. A is equals to differentiate left, which is 1, times the right side, t squared plus 5 power of half, plus differentiate the right, half t squared plus 5 to the power of negative half 2t times the left. Simplify. Your a is going to be square root t squared plus 5. This one we cut. The top going to be t squared, and the bottom, since the power negative, we throw down square root t squared plus 5. Now, since they want the exact acceleration, meaning no calculator, we just sub in t as 2. 2 squared, which is 4. 4 plus 5, which is 9. Square root 9, which is 3. Plus 2 squared, which is 4. And this one is the same also, 3. So 3 plus 1, 1 over 3. Answer will be 4, 1 over 3. Explain why the particles does not change direction for t more than 0. V equals to t squared plus 5 and square roots. Since we're expecting t is more than 0, when we sub in here, this number will be more than 0, and this is a square root at the square there. Inside must be more than 0. Your v is turned out to be more than 0. So never negative. It will not change directions. Seven A. Give your answer in the exact form. Okay, this is integrations. And okay, just copy the question down first. 2, 4, 5x minus 2 to the power of negative 2 over 3 dx. Okay, this is very straightforward. Recopy 5x minus 2 power plus 1, which is 1 over 3 over the power, and differentiate the bracket, which is 5, put underneath. Sub in from 2 to 4. Okay, you just have to understand here, 5 times 4, 20, 20 minus 2, 18, cube root 18 over 5 over 3 minus, sub in the 2 now, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 minus 2, which is 8, cube root, sorry, my bad, here I also missing a cube root here, cube root 8 over 5 over 3. In proper fraction, we actually turn upside down, which is 3, I take out the, this one we turn upside down first, 3, 5, cube root 18 minus 3 over 5 cube root 8. Now, take out the 3 over 5 first. Cube root 18. Cube root 8 will be 2. Yeah, that will be your answer. Let me just have a quick look. 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 plus 1, which is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. 5, nothing wrong. Sub in the 4. 5 times 4, 20. 20 minus 2, 18. Yes, actually nothing wrong. Correct. Yeah, that will be your final answer. Find is in the form of A plus ln B. Okay. So same thing, copy down the questions. 0, half, 4, 2x plus 1, plus 8, 2x plus 1 to the power of square dx, equal. Okay, the first one, the bottom is a linear, so we expect a ln 4 ln 2x plus 1 over 2. You can write the over 2 here. And the second one is not a ln because there's the bottom is not a linear. So I write here so you understand. We throw out become 8 2x plus 1 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now we start using the algebra way. Plus 8, we write here. Recopy 2x plus 1, power plus 1, which is minus 1, over minus 1. Differentiate the bracket, which is 2, and put underneath. And from 0 to half. Simplify first before we sub in the number. 2 ln 2x plus 1 minus 4 over 2x plus 1, 0 to 1 over 2. Okay, now we can sub in the number now. Sub in the half. Half times 2, which is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 ln 2 minus, sub in the half here. Half times 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 over 2, which is 2. If you want, you can put a bracket first. Minus, sub in the 0. 0 times 2 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, ln 1 is 0, so the first term is gone. Minus, remember to write minus sign first. Sub in the 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 4, 1 is 4. So your answer is going to be 2 ln 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. That will be your final answer. Oh, they want in the form of A plus ln B. You should throw the 2 up, become ln 2 square plus 2, which is answer. Ln 4 plus 2. Okay, question 8. Permutation and combination. This is like digit, so definitely it's a permutation. A 5-digit number is to form by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's total 9 numbers here. Since there's no 0, 5 digits supposed to be the simple one. Answer 9p5. 9 numbers, simply choose 5 and arrange them, which is why 9p5. Find how many of these 5-digit numbers are greater than 50,000 and even. Okay, this one we're having 2 conditions. We just have to learn how to log one condition down. This time I log, actually to me pick which condition also doesn't matter. Okay, let's pick the 50,000, okay? So, greater than 50,000, I draw the line first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here must be 5, so meaning this 5-digit will be greater than 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. So we log them down. So we have total of 5 scenarios here. And this number has been used. Okay, back to the first scenario. The number 5 has been used. So this all 5 scenario is all greater than 50,000. So we can ignore this condition. Now we only focus on even. For the first scenario, 5 has been used. To form an even number, we actually concerned about the back digit, which is this one. to become an even, the back number must be either 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, I will highlight so that you can see. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So since 5 has been used, 2, 4, 6, 6, 4 number, simply choose 1 to put at the last box there, times, okay, we have used 1 number at the front and 1 number at the back, remaining 7 numbers, 7P3 arranged in the middle for the 3 in between. Okay, so for the second scenario, 6 has been used. So to the last digit must be even number, we cannot use 6 anymore. So remaining 2, 4, 8, 3 numbers. Simply pick 1 times, same thing, 7P3. You can repeat like 1 number at the front, 1 number at the back, 2 number has been used. So 9 minus 2, which is 7 number remaining for the 3 blank. This one, 7 has been used for the third scenario. 2, 4, 6, 8, 4C1 times 7P3. This one, 8 has been used. So 2, 4, 6, which is 3C1 times 7P3. 9 has been used. So 2, 4, 6, 8, which is 4C1 times 7P3. Okay. 4C1 is 4 times 7P3. This is 3 times 7P3. This is 4 times 7P3. It's the same for the rest. Okay, how many 7P3 we have here? 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18 7P3. Seven P3 will be 7 times 6 times 5, which is 210 times 18, 3780 will be your answer. Okay, this one is choose C, have to use. 6 doctor, 4 dentist, 2 nurse. How many possible? At least 2 doctor, 2 dentist, and 2 nurse. Okay, this one you have to write down the scenario first. 9 people. Now, 6 doctor, 4 dentists, 2 nurse. Okay, so we figure out the nurse first. Since they mentioned at least 2 nurse, so the back must be 2. Since they mentioned at least 2 dentists, we actually fix at 2 first. And we actually, a whole team, we need 9 people. So remaining 5 doctor here. Here could be 5 doctor. Okay, now we slowly increase. Yeah, total is 9 here. 6 doctor. Is it possible? 2 nurse. 1 dentist. Not possible. Okay, 5 is the maximum for a doctor. Why not we slowly reduce the doctor? Become 4 doctor. 3 dentists. Yeah, it works fine. We can drop down to 3 doctor. 2 nurse at least. And 4 dentists. Yes, it works also. Can it be 2 doctor? Not possible because we don't have that much of dentists. Yep, they're actually total having 3 scenario. So same scenario will be times, different scenario will be plus. So this one will be 6C5 times 4C2 times 2C2 plus 6C4 times 4C3 times 2C2 plus 6C3 times 4C4 times 2C2. Yep, this one you can press calculator or you use your mental calculation. 6C5, which is 6, times 4C2 will be 6 as well. 2C1 is 1. Plus 6C4 is 15 times 4C3 is 4C1 is 4 times 1. Plus 6C3 is 6 times 5 times 4 over 6, which is 20, times 1 times 1. 36 plus 60 plus 20, 80, 116 will be your answer. Okay, question 9 is a arithmetic progression. So, first three term is provided. A is going to be log theta square, or you can put 2 log theta. And arithmetic is talking about common difference, so the common difference is using the second term minus the first term. You can drag down the power, become 5 log theta minus 2 log theta equals to 3 log theta. Sum to n term, which is the formula, Sn is equals to 4732 log theta. Okay, Sn formula, I just write the formula down first. N over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d equals to 4732 log theta. Sub in n over 2. A is 2 log theta. 2 log theta times 2, 4 log theta. N minus 1 with a bracket. And d is 3 log theta equals to 4732 log theta. Inside the square bracket, that is total 2 terms. 1 here and 1 here. There's a common of log theta you can take out. N over 2 log theta. 4 plus 3 n minus 1. 4732 log theta. So you can cut the log theta. Okay, simplify now. Divide by 2, you can throw to the other side, become times. So become n 4 plus 3n minus 3 equals to 64, 94. Open the bracket also. 3n square plus n minus 9464. Okay. Since n is a term, so it must be a nice number. But 9464 is a way too big number. Here, are we able to do cross method? Not possible. Let me see. Any use? Okay, cannot. Okay. Equals 0. Okay, so here we have to do it manually. Let me have a look whether is it calculator usable or not. Yeah, this one able to use calculator. And if you are using calculators, if you know the function, you can actually do it and see what's number to apply. Okay. 9464 divided by 2, which is 4732 divided by 2, 2366 divided by 2, 1183. 1183 is a unique number. Cannot divide by 3, not possible. 4, not possible. 5, not possible. 6, definitely gonna 7. 748. 7 possible. 1 times 7, 48. 6, 42, 63, 9, 13, and 13. Because to get the middle is only plus 1, 3n, and definitely n here. I'm going to use this pair, 169, and 8 times 7 is 56. Try and see. 56 is here, 169 is here. So 56 times 3 is going to be 168. Yes, good number. This is a plus, this is a minus. So your n going to be minus 169 over 3, or n equals to 56. Since n is a number of terms, so it must be an integer. So this one reject. Answer is 56. This sum is equals to 14196. Four seven three two log theta is equals to minus 14196. Log theta is equals to minus 14196 divided by 4732, which is answer minus 3. And without writing the base is base 10, throw the log, theta equals to 10 to the power minus 3, which is equals to 1 over 1000. Okay, this one is geometry. Determine whether this geometry progression has sum to infinity. For sum to infinity exists, your common ratio must be in between minus 1 and 1. So from here, my A is, you throw down the power, 3 log this symbol. Okay, and the R going to be using the second term divided by first term, which is 1 over 3. Is within the range, so sum to infinity exists. Find n terms. Okay. The n terms, Tn, equals to ARn minus 1. 3 log this, your R is 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1. Without writing this is the power 1 here, 3 power 1 log this thingy. This one end up become 3 to the power minus 1 n minus 1. Open bracket, it's going to be 3 minus n plus 1. So 3 to the power of 2 minus n log this thingy. Yep, that will be your answer. Here they mention the 20 terms is 3 to the negative 18. And sub into the previous formula, n as 20, 3 n as 20, 2 minus 20 is minus 18, log this equals to 3 to the negative 18. Since they are exactly the same, so you can cut become 1, and answer is 10 to the power 1, which is 10. That will be your answer. Yep, that's the last page. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video.